In this lesson, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Blender. So right here, we're on the main page before we select our files, and it's best to just click General to open up a new general file. And we'll get something like this, with just your cube in the middle of the screen. So you can scroll in and out to zoom in and out. You can press Shift and hold the middle mouse button to pan around the camera, like so. Press G to grab the object, and you can press X to move it on the X-axis. Left click mouse to confirm the move. You can press Ctrl Z to undo, or Ctrl Shift Z to redo. You can drag it along the Y-axis. And if you want to cancel action, you can always right click the mouse and it'll cancel whatever action you're about to do. We can also press H to hide objects after we select them. You can press G and Z to move along the Z axis, which will go up and down. And on your number pad on the right side of your keyboard, you can press 1 to get the side view, 3 to get the front view, and 7 to get the top view. Now we can press tab to go into edit mode, and we can select these three interfaces. So vertices, we can drag vertices out. We can select side, drag out sides, and the face mode to drag the face around, like so. And whenever you press 9 on the number pad, you always get the opposite direction you're facing. So 1, 9, or 3, 9, 7, 9 will give you the opposite view, like so. And we'll be in wireframe a lot, so hold Z and move your mouse to the wireframe. Do that again to get back to the solid view. We'll be using this feature a lot when creating our 3D model. Now what we can do is select everything, pressing A and then Shift D to duplicate. And we can left click to confirm their move. And as we go along, I'll show you more tools we'll use, but this is just the basic tutorial just to get started. You can also select vertices, multiple vertices, by holding Control and clicking vertices or sides or faces. Or you can press Shift and hold to select the vertices. And another one we can do is hold Shift A and create our meshes and other objects and tools we need, and rotate on the Z, Y axes, and X axes. Then yeah, that's about it. There's your basic tutorial on using Blender. We'll add in more features as we go in to our model, and I'll explain them a bit more. But for now, they should do the trick. So we'll see you in the next lesson coming up.